Next traffic light, turn left at the traffic light, please. Look at your right. Anyone coming?
No.
Go then.
Okay.
That's it. I know you're a bit confused over there. I'm going to explain to you about this in a minute. Well done. Now quickly go back to that what you did over there. So as you were approaching, I asked you to turn left at the traffic light. You signals, everything was good, mirror signal. As you're approaching, your imminent danger, remember, was coming from your right, because there was a giveaway line painted over there. So you have to give way to traffic coming from your right. That was, you should be looking first. But I'm so glad that you're not only looking there, you have to look on the left as well. Now there were two cars, one small car, one big van. The one car have turned and the van stopped. The van driver did a very good job there, because he realized you turning, he stopped, because you're giving way to the right, not to the van. So he stopped and then he allowed you to go over there. That's the right thing to do. But what if he would not have done it? Then you have to stay put over there and let him go in. Yeah, but your imminent danger was from right. So when you're approaching, examiner wants to see your head movements looking to your right, not your eyes. Head movements, you're looking your right though. Yeah, is important though. Do you understand that? Any problem, any questions? Okay.